Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart. First of all, thanks for everybody that came out, joined us for the first of many webinars. Yesterday, we talked about a little bit of everything. We talked about the mini, talked about the fall trading season, talked about NQ, the dollar, gold, oil, bonds. So myself, Tony Rago, Spring Heel Jack, the Princeton Trader chat team. So there's a link to the recording of the webinar. Come check that out. Watch that tonight or whenever you have time. If you have time, there's some good value in there for people, in my opinion. So we're still battling over 2,500, 2,499. My principal concern as I come into this morning is the bears didn't have a good night. They really didn't. They built a lot of higher lows over the course of the night. It's continuing to show strength. You see the hourly mid-band here going support. So if there was a day where the bulls could take it up, deal with the 2504 area, and then go deal with 2508, this is the environment you would expect it to happen in. Okay? So what I'm in right now is I have an aggressive long going against the weekly pivot. I'm in at 99.75, and we'll see, what that does. I'm not going to give it really literally any room. I already have an even stop on it, but it's something to look at this morning if this 99, 2,500 level continues to hold. If it does, then what you could be seeing is a slow conversion of the weekly pivot from resistance into support. And if that's the case, then that's going to favor the bulls today. Maybe not in a gigantic way, but certainly we could expect the day to be solidly green. If the bulls are going to go down that road, if they're going to go ahead and give it a try, they can't go halfway. They cannot half-ass it. They need to make a new all-time high. If they can do that, then it opens areas like 2512, potential move to the upper band right around 2520. If this is just another attempt to take out the weekly pivot that can't get it done, then you're going to see it slip back down, and that should embolden people to come in and continue to sell rallies right at the 2,500 area. So the key to what we did was you have to look at these multiple tests and retests of the 24.99 half area since say 7:30 this morning, and then you just have to decide if you want to be in the trade. This is a hard trade to chase, and it's not a trade that I would chase. We are 26 minutes from the opening bell. Chances of it coming back and retesting the area anywhere from 98.5 to 99 are very good. If it does test that area and it holds, then that's an opportunity for a long. If that area breaks, if you start to see lower highs, then getting short against the 2,500 area is going to be where you want to be this morning. So, and the best way to figure all that out is to come on in and trade it with us here in the room. So, as we get into the rest of the week, Wednesday is going to set up Thursday, Friday. So yesterday was I said yesterday was a pivotal day for the Bears. I don't think the Bears performed very well considering it was a pivotal day. They held 24.99, 2,500, but they gave it up overnight. Today is a very pivotal day for the Bulls. Today's the day where the Bulls can turn it around, and instead of having a directional Thursday, Friday that favors the Bears, we could end up with a directional Thursday, Friday that favors the Bulls. All right. Everybody have a good one. I'll be around for a midday update. Check out the webinar recording for yesterday. Sign up for the webinar next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I'm going to be talking about risk, understanding risk. Okay, risk markers and how we use them, disaster stops, trade management, basically how to stay out of trouble. Whether you're a futures trader, whether you trade stocks, ETFs, whatever it is, risk, there are risk strategies that can help everybody. So I hope to see you next Tuesday, 4:15. All right, everybody have a good one. I'll talk to you for the midday update. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.